What's up, Mr. T here with Lions Den Cards, and today is Super Bowl Sunday, so I decided to do a Chasing Jimmy Garoppolo rookie break and also a Patrick Mahomes break. So first up, I had this on hand, so I figured I'd break it. 2014 Prestige, where we can find the Jimmy Garoppolo rookie, and then after that, during second half, I'm going to do a two-box mega box break of the 2017 Optic, looking for Mr. Mahomes. Right now, Mahomes just ran in a touchdown. It's 3-7, Kansas City, and Garoppolo is on the drive. All right, let's just get breaking. And there's a lot of packs in this stuff. I mean, when I was back in my breaking days, I did a whole half case break on this. I never do again. 24 packs, 8 cards per pack. Just way too many cards to go through. So what I'm going to do is rip all this open and see what we got. And you get one exclusive draft picks jumbo box toppers, one in every box. And I know you get some autos. I think you get 3 autos. Blah, 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 blah. What are the autos? Featuring auto card autographs? Doesn't say. I believe you get about 3 autos. So let's pop this up. Oh, interception. Breland, Kansas City. That's real. I thought I might have got tipped or something. Let's open this box topper up. Maybe Jimmy Garoppolo. I actually have another one of these I never opened. Nah, he got hit when he was throwing it. Wobbled ball. Nice. All right, looks like Teddy Bridgewater. I mean, there were so many good quarterbacks in this draft, but like Teddy, Bortles, Johnny Manziel, Johnny Football, I mean, they lost the flair pretty fast. And of course, you got Johnny Manziel on the front. So I'm actually just going to rip through these. I think you get one mem card too, but I'm going to rip through these, and then we're just going to break it like that, because I don't want this to go so long. If I do one pack at a time, this will be a long video. I did a break. I think I have 5 of these left because I broke one like a year ago, and I actually got a Jimmy Garoppolo Prime Rookie patch. I just sold it. I had it on listing to end tonight, but someone had best offer, so they made me a good offer on that. So I decided, hey, why not? You got a really, really good QB. I'm probably missing somebody's Derek Carr that's in this. Of course, you got OBJ in here also. And you also got two of the best defensive players, Aaron Donald from my Rams, and also Khalil Mack for the now Cowboys. I think there was a hit in that pack. There's a lot of fillers in this too, because I'm running low on fillers. Did I mention this is Super Bowl 54? I don't know if I even said that. I'm sure you figured that out by my game calling. Alright, that pack does not want to open. There's a hit in that one too. It looks like a giant. Maybe that will be a OBJ relic card. Yeah. Interception confirmed. All right, there are our cards. Let's just rip through this. Let's hide that relic card. We'll save that for next stack. And let's go. Got Garcon, Peterson, Durham. Oh, nice throw to Watkins. Complete. We got a draft class 2005. Frank Gore. Okay, our first rookie is Marion Grice. We got Barry, Ballard, Manuel. Then we got Bowman. And And then we got Jeffrey Smith, draft class with Tom Brady. I'll throw that aside. Next rookie is Dominic Easley. We got Green, Rice, another Tom Brady. We got a Peterson, Dez Bryant, Jackson, Evans. Oh, Mike Evans rookie. That's a nice one. Dry Archer rookie. You guys see that Tom Brady Super Bowl commercial where you think he's kind of going to tell you what his decision is next year? Hulu commercial. Not bad. Rudolph. We got a Jordan Matthews draft picks. Nice insert there. We got a Norwood rookie. Andrew Luck, Wake, Stafford, and Glennon. All right. So let's see what our first hit is. Is it OBJ? Definitely. That's a prime patch. Nice. Number 13. OBJ. Very nice. Ah, it's one color though. My Garoppolo is a 4-color patch. Still pretty nice. Rookie patch of OBJ. All right, let's keep ripping. Crabtree. We got Michael Sam, Procedure Picks, rookie. Tom Savage. We got Smith, Brown, Moreno, Julio Jones, Austin, Cucho. We got a Paul Richardson, a rookie, and a Reese, a rookie. Next up, we got Trent Richardson, Edelman, Jones. Then we got Sproles, Lacey, Mathieu. Then we got a nice Drew Brees Prestige Lucite insert there. We got a Michael Caponaro rookie, Hunter Revis. We got Richardson, Britt, Witten, Curse. There's number stuff in this too. I think I get like 1 or 2 per box. Oh, and that's our hit right there. Why don't we save that for a little bit? All right, next up we got Bernard. We got Moore, Ware, Johnson, Jackson, that guy. We got a Austin Jenkins. Oh, Jimmy G right there. Jimmy Garoppolo, rookie. Very nice. One soft corner. We hit one Jimmy Garoppolo so far. Oh, right here. What the heck did I just do? Where did I put those cards? Let's just go through this. I think we're right here. Yeah, I think we went through this. I don't know what I did with this card. I probably put it in the other stack. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, so we got a Jimmy Garoppolo. And, of course, I left my here's the penny sleeve. Let's just sleeve him up so we can take a look at him. Mahomes, 3rd down and 4. Oh! Ball is out but called down. Yard short. All right, so we hit the Jimmy G. Very nice. Put you up there. All right, let's check out that auto. Looks like it's Kansas City, but I could be wrong. Card number 228, Kansas City Chiefs. The Anthony Thomas, a running back. Oh, 9 out of 25. Not bad. Extra point running back, number to 25. That's one of our numbered cards. Not the auto. They're going for 4th and 1. Pitch. Oh, that's a first down. Nice. Johnson and Johnson. Wallace, Matthews, Malkin, Lynch. Then we got Trey Mason. Clowney rookie. That's a nice one right there. Wayne, Rivers, Chandler. Then we got Wilson, Thomas, Stewart. We got Andrew Williams, Aaron Murray rookie. Houston, Thomas, Cameron, Jackson, Griffin III. Jennings. We got a Matthew Stafford insert. John Brown rookie. That guy, Tannehill, Ingram, Jennings, Gore. All right. Oh, don't be Blake Bortles, is it? Here's a hit. Card 210. Mahomes, he can even see it. Jaguars. Is it Blake Bortles? Oh, Blake Bortles. Oh, it's just extra points. A rookie card. Getting fooled with those. Keep thinking they're autos. All right, next up we got a Gilbert rookie. Schwab. Sanders, Spiller, Murray, Sue, Jim Jr. Pretty sure you got 3 rookies. Maybe you don't. Filler, we got a Rob Gronkowski. Oh, Blake Bortles rookie. Too bad I didn't open this in 2014. That would have been a nice card. All right, we got. Sorry, Williams carry. Oh, he got away. Thomas, Hartline, Welker, Pettigrew, Douglas. All right, will this be a hit finally? It's Brown. Will it be a Johnny Manziel? We'll hold that one aside. All right, we got a Borland, Hayden, Johnson, Avery, Stacy, Breeze, Drew Brees. I should keep that Drew Brees aside. Let's keep my superstars aside. We got Martin, and then we got an Antonio Gates. Very nice. There's an OBJ rookie card. We got Vernon, Grisham, Gordon, Bradford, Still, Castle. Prestige picks, Carlos Hyde. That's a nice one. 4th and 7, they're probably going to kick the field goal, take a 10-point lead. Thomas Logan. We got Brown, Foster, Atkins. You only get one auto, one mem card? I don't remember. Kaepernick, 49ers, Olsen, Matthews. We got Jason Watt, Jordan Matthews rookie, not a bad one there. We got Green, Ridley, Shorts. We got a Laker auto. Obviously not a Laker auto. Let's just save these for last since we're almost done. Another Blake Bortles. Wow. 3rd Blake Bortles rookie. Field goal, Kansas City. Charles Sims. 9:32 to go in the second. Bradley, Gates, Wheaton. I'm definitely rooting for my man, Mahomes. It's because I have a huge Mahomes collection, so I like to see some Super Bowl rings under him. And there's our 3rd auto, so you do get 3 autos. I'm assuming that's an auto. All right. And we got Jimmy Graham, Preacher Man. Prestigious picks, the Shanky, Devontae Adams. That's a nice one there. Perfect, Wright, Vick, Bush, Davis, McCoy, the real McCoy. Eric Ebron rookie, not bad. Jimmy Warren. All right, Gronk, Nix, Mingo, Cobb, Romo, Sherman. And we got a Trey Mason, nothing special. Troy Nicholas rookie, Allen, Todman. And we didn't hit a lot of the big rookie names. I mean, we got 3 Blake Bortles, OBJ. We did get a couple of OBJs. Rogers, Forte, Wilson. Oh, no, hopefully that's not an auto. Aaron Murray, Road Prestige. We got Abel, Lewis, Smith, Williams, Cruz. And we got a Sammy Watkins rookie. That's a nice one. I forgot he was in this class. We got Ellington rookie, Locker, Hopkins, and Fowers. All right, let's check out these possible hits. Hopefully Michael Caponaro from the Ravens. Let's check him out. That was Russell Wilson there. And it is an auto, rookie auto, extra points. Nothing special there. The next hit, 241. Houston Texans. Don't know who that could be. Oh, Clowney. That'd be a nice auto. Not bad. Too bad it's not extra points. Not numbered. Base auto. All right, let's check out our Lakers hit. Obviously, probably Vikings. It is. Maybe Teddy Bridgewater? No. Scott Crichton. SC. Nothing special there. And our 3rd auto could be Johnny Manziel. It is the Browns. Justin Gilbert. And that's not an auto. So we have 2 autos. I'm already losing track. 2 autos. No, 3 autos. We already hit our 3 autos, dummy. And a couple of these. And then we got, 1 numbered card. All right, we did get our Jimmy Garoppolo rookie. So hopefully I will have the same luck with Mahomes. I'll be doing that at the break. Thanks for checking out my video.